some grid, but as you can see, I'm gonna do some open wheel racing, but just look at this little tiny car. This open wheel car is so tiny. Look at that. Look at that. By the way, I did end up upgrading the garage, so now I have a teammate, so it's not just me anymore. I now have a teammate, so that means double the money. So I'm going to do some more grid. I will catch up with you guys in just a little bit, just that way you can see what this kind of racing really looks like. Alright, so this was open wheel, and I am this car right over here. I managed to win the race without a single scratch. Not one scratch on this car. That it absolutely was just amazing that I was able to keep this car in not only one piece, but also bring it home without any scratches on it whatsoever. I was just cautious throughout the whole race. I was being consistent. Then on the last lap, I managed to get by the leader on the last corner and win. I just shot it through the corner. I just sent it in and just made it work. So like I said, I love this game. I like racing. I still like NASCAR, but I mean, just like this type of racing, it does really, I really do like. I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but you know, you get the gist. I kept going on with, I know I keep going with grid, but I'll probably switch in just a little bit. But still, I bought a Dodge Viper. I ended up winning another championship, but also, to add on, I got some more sponsorships, and with that, eBay Motors is my primary sponsorship, and I managed to do something really cool with the car. Just check this out. Look at this. Say what you want about the combination with blue and green, like neon, like the very light green, and mixed in with white. I just really think this looks super cool, in my honest opinion. Say what you want. I really think it's a good combination. I got done with some grid, and I've decided to make the switch over to NR 2003, and I'm going to be doing some testing for a 2021 season coming up. It's for WRLA Pepsi Cup Series, which I know that's my stuff, and that's offline, and it's still going to be offline, but this time it's going to be a little different with now this time me taking part, and you know, everyone's going to have ratings, and just you know, it's gonna be like as if I'm actually racing, if you know what I mean. A little bit more realistic, so really hope you guys kind of understand that. But it's a little bit of a different version of WRLA, as if it was a real kind of deal, if you know. So the car that I'm gonna be testing with it's my number 77 Stanley Dodge Challenger, and you know, this car actually does look really nice. I think we're going to be going to, going to Vegas to test, and just to kind of test our 1.5 mile package and see what we've got. But it should be a really good car. I'm really hoping so. But just one way to find out. We got to go into the tests and see what we can do.
testing is pretty much complete. So the next task at hand is to make this bed, because just look at this bed. Last night I slept in it, which obviously, that's the only other bed I can sleep in. I can't sleep on the floor because it's a little uncomfortable. And I must have really been moving around in my sleep in order to cause something like this to happen. So it needs to be redone. Amy's coming over later on today, so I need to actually get this bed made. So I'm going to do that. Just like that. It didn't really take all that long, but it still was just a little bit of work. So I guess at this point, I'm just going to kind of like chill around and, you know, just wait till Amy gets here. And until then, I'll catch you guys soon, just a little bit.